How do you have gas pressure without a container? Nothing?
Alrighty then.
Danny Faulkner, PhD astrophysicist, runs an observatory and profits from the lies.
What is gravity? Stunned silence. Any order? No, just jump in, please.
I wish we really knew.
There is a crisis in cosmology. Usually in science, if we're off by a factor of 2 or a factor of 10, we call that horrible. We say something's wrong with the theory. We're off by a factor of 10. However, in cosmology, we're off by a factor of 10 to the 120. That is 1 with 120 zeros after it. This is the largest mismatch between theory and experiment in the history of science.
I wish we really knew. No, I mean, we can, certainly it's easy enough to describe properties of gravity. It's easy enough to describe theories of gravity. We've had 2 marvelous theories.
Wrong. Nobody that I know of in my field uses the so-called scientific method. In our field, it's by the seat of your pants. It's leaps of logic. It's guesswork.
That cracks me up.
Is gravity?
You have no idea. Okay, next question.
Wow.
No, here's the difference. We can describe gravity. We can say what it does to other things. We can measure it, predict with it. But when you start asking, like, what it is, I don't know.
Gravity doesn't suck at all. We tell our students, we lied to you. Gravity does not pull you to the floor. Space pushes you down. Why are you sitting in your chair today? Does gravity pull you to the floor? No. There is no such thing as gravitational pull. We lied to you.
You know, when you spin pizza dough, it kind of flattens out. It gets wider in the middle. And so Earth, throughout its life, even when it formed, it was spinning. And it got a little wider at the equator than it does at the poles. So it's not actually a sphere. It's oblate. And officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above the equator.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good way. It's like pear-shaped. Pear-shaped, pear-shaped, pear-shaped.
So tell me, Neil, is the Earth flat? We have video from space of the rotating spherical Earth.
Yeah, upgrade from the spacecraft. They might be left. I think I'm dragging a little bit, so I don't want to fire the gun yet. Okay, I'm out. Okay, now, get over.